Hey, dude. So I am starting day 3, week 2 of Academy Pittsburgh. I'm about to log online here in 10 minutes. And today my intent with this video is to try to talk out and explain more code. I've enjoyed talking about my experience with learning and being in the class environment. I think I need a practice of explaining what functions or loops or what have you that I used and what ideas in programming. And I want to be able to explain that. The whole point of these videos is to have a visual accountability and practice storytelling and explaining ideas, which will help with my learning process. So that's my intent for today. And yeah, we'll stay tuned on that.
And we're back. Yeah, wrapped up on day 3, week 2 of Academy Pittsburgh, and today was pretty fun. Today got fun, a little interesting. Hurt my brain first, and then kind of got to sit back and be the typist in the afternoon, which I enjoy because then I get to be like, okay, and then what? And then what? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and show you I promised some code. I'm going to try and show some code. I'm going to show the kata that we are prompted with typing every day when we start class. And mine, hey, this is a fun thing. The class is missing. All right, so regardless, I'll still get my point across. So right here, after I start writing my, say, console write line and then int user, this is all fine until I get to, now previously I had an error. Imagine a red squiggly right about here and right about here. What was happening was it kept telling me I was possibly a directive or assembly kind of DLL missing directive or missing reference more so. And that I just kept going to Stack Overflow, Google, trying to refine my keyword searches to figure out what's going on. And then looked at this Stack Overflow solution. Looked pretty simple enough, except I couldn't find a reference tool that it kept saying like right click references, then hit add class. It's that easy. Like, oh, cool. It's that easy. Where is the darn reference tool? Why? Why can't I find you? Then I looked at the date published on that Stack Overflow post, and it was almost 9 years ago. So Visual Studio may have been updated in that time. Anywho, I did what I like about the program is it because it understands like most people, even professional programmers, are probably not remembering everything about code. It's like here's a very helpful auto suggest menu of like seen this kind of error before, maybe try this fix to do so. So I'm like, all right, cool, and it just automatically did that for me. Now eventually I did find it in, I think it was over in the Solutions Explorer, but I had to do something simple where I had to select the program I'm running, or the namespace I'm running, and either of those. But like, basically select the file name of session 14 kata in my Solutions Explorer, and had I just like right clicked here, done add, I believe there's add class, or there's a very helpful keyboard shortcut, Shift Alt C for that. And yeah, maybe I should refine my search in the future for a more up-to-date Visual Studio that could probably give me a helpful answer. So tomorrow morning I'll be fresh for part B of this week's kata that we are typing up. And that's what I have to share today is that if you feel stumped, ask questions and make sure you are refining your search and keywords to actually pinpoint what you're trying to do. That's what I learned today, and can't wait to know what I learn tomorrow. See you then.